He was so young. I'm gonna look from behind.
Don't get too close.
It's gonna smoke real bad because of the grass.
Looks like a real
Things we do in the country.
Look at the window. Dude, look at the window.
I see him.
Dang, look.
Look at the window.
Look at the firefighter in the bottom right-hand window.
Oh, poor guy. Don't y'all feel guilty?
At the bottom. I feel guilty for the guy that's up there.
You want to save him? We'll knock him down.
I guess he's burnt.
Yeah, he got a little gas on him and he flamed up.
Oh, watch his like leg pop up. That'd be so funny.
Did it go out? Oh, it's not even lit back here.
Look at that window.
It's not even lit back here, right?
Be careful, there's gas on the roof, so if it catches, it's gonna go off.
That window is gross. Looks like poop. Yeah. It's smeared on the window. Smeared on the
Boys.
window.
Boys, boys, boys.
He'll walk upstairs.
They're having a good time over there.
Mm-hmm.
This is getting boring.
Yeah, it is.